Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today, we will talk about the importance of flexibility and injury prevention, discussing 5 essential stretches that will help you move better, feel better, and stay injury-free. Whether you're an athlete, a gym goer, or someone who simply wants to move with more ease, these stretches are for you. So let's jump right in. First up, we have the standing forward fold. This stretch targets the hamstrings, calves, and lower back, helping to improve flexibility in the posterior chain. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, hinge at the hips, and slowly lower your torso towards your thighs. Allow your head to hang heavy and hold for 30 seconds to 1 minute, breathing deeply. Moving on to downward facing dog, a classic yoga pose that stretches the entire backside of the body while also strengthening the arms and shoulders. Start in a plank position, then lift your hips towards the ceiling, pressing your heels towards the ground. Keep your spine long and your shoulders away from your ears. Hold for 30 seconds to 1 minute, focusing on deep and even breaths. Next, let's target the front of the thighs with the quadriceps stretch. Tight quads can contribute to knee and hip issues, so it's important to keep them flexible. Begin by standing tall, bend one knee, and bring your heel towards your glutes. Grab your ankle or foot with your hand and gently pull your heel towards your buttocks. Hold for 30 seconds on each side, feeling the stretch in the front of your thigh. Now, let's focus on spinal mobility with the seated spinal twist. This stretch targets the spine, hips, and shoulders, promoting better posture and reducing the risk of back pain. Sit on the floor with your legs extended in front of you. Bend one knee and cross it over the opposite leg, placing your foot flat on the floor. Twist towards the bent knee, placing your opposite elbow on the outside of the knee for support. Hold for 30 seconds on each side, breathing deeply into the twist. Last but not least, we have the child's pose, a soothing stretch that releases tension in the back, shoulders, and hips while promoting relaxation and stress relief. Start on your hands and knees, then sit back on your heels, extending your arms in front of you and resting your forehead on the mat. Sink your hips towards your heels and relax into the stretch, holding for 30 seconds to 1 minute. And there you have it for today. 5 essential stretches for flexibility and injury prevention. Incorporate these into your daily routine to improve your mobility, reduce the risk of injury, and feel your best. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Until next time, keep stretching and stay healthy.